Commanding attention with its flawless fusion of vintage, elegance, and modern performance, the 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Restomod is an awe-inspiring masterpiece that defines the perfect blend of classic heritage and cutting-edge technology. A true automotive icon reimagined for the modern era, this magnificent machine captivates collectors and enthusiasts alike. Originally introduced as part of the second-generation Corvette lineup, the 1965 Stingray became an instant classic, boasting a striking design with hidden headlights, aggressive body lines, and a commanding road presence. The Restomod transformation takes this already iconic vehicle and infuses it with state-of-the-art performance enhancements, ensuring it delivers an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining its timeless appeal. Beneath its sculpted exterior, modern engineering breathes new life into this classic, making it faster, more responsive, and more reliable than ever before. Through the years, modifications have played a crucial role in the evolution of the Corvette Stingray Restomod. Early builds maintained the original small block V8, but as technology progressed, LS and LT series engines became the preferred power plants, offering exceptional horsepower, torque, and efficiency. Suspension upgrades introduced independent rear setups, high-performance coilovers, and electronic dampening systems, vastly improving handling and ride quality. Braking systems have also undergone significant enhancements, with modern disc brakes ensuring precise stopping power. Additionally, custom exhaust setups refine the signature growl of the Stingray. Inside the cockpit, luxury and innovation come together to create an environment that is both nostalgic and refined. The classic split window styling remains intact, but the cabin is now outfitted with premium leather upholstery, digital instrument clusters, and touchscreen infotainment systems. Air conditioning, power steering, and high-end audio setups have been seamlessly integrated, offering drivers a perfect blend of comfort and connectivity. Every detail, from billet aluminum accents to custom-stitched seats, has been meticulously crafted to enhance the driving experience. The current market value of a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Restomod varies significantly depending on customization, originality, and overall build quality. Prices typically range from $120,000 to well over $250,000, with high-end examples featuring carbon fiber body panels, supercharged engines, and bespoke interiors commanding top dollar. More than just a car, the 1965 Corvette Stingray Restomod is a tribute to automotive craftsmanship, a perfect harmony of past and future. It stands as an emblem of performance, artistry, and engineering excellence, ensuring its place as one of the most sought-after classic Restomods of all time. Join us as we celebrate the evolution of this legendary machines and innovation.